Hey guys and gals, what's crack-a-lackin'? Spicy here. Welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Hey, if you're new to my channel and just now checking me out, why don't you check out a few more videos, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other videos. What we got going on today is, this is the very first seed planting of 2018. Springtime is here. I can feel it, I can see it, and I've not been able to put any plants or seeds in the ground because we've just had way too much rain. For the last month, it has rained so much. And today, I'm getting some seeds started in a seed starter. It's a Burpee seed starter greenhouse kit. I got this from Tractor Supply. I've read some reviews on it, and they say it's really, really good. So I'm going to give it a shot. And I'm going to let y'all follow along and see how I'm doing it. If I do something wrong, let me know. So maybe I can fix it or do something different. So let me point you down and I'll show you what I got. Also, this is going to be kind of a mail call video. Alright, first mail call video I have. This is from Dan, my man, over at Home in the Sticks. He's talked to me quite a few times. And I told him that, hey man, I've tried to get some Tabasco seeds. They didn't work. And he said, I think I have some Tabasco seeds for you. Give me just a second, I'll get them sent over to you. And he did. Dan, thank you so much for sending them seeds. This is my card. Thank you so much for sending them seeds, man. What he sent me was a good many Tabasco seeds. What I'm gonna be doing with this this year is hopefully get those growing, get those peppers producing, and make my own little Tabasco sauce. Not only did that awesome dude send me Tabasco seeds, he sent me Korean pepper seeds. And then also he sent cow horn pepper seeds. That is pretty interesting there. Then the next mail call I got, this, y'all, is Carolina Reaper peppers. These are 3 pods in here. I got these from Pickerick 1. Pickerick, thank you so much. Actually, he had sent me some before, and I think my wife or me, one of us accidentally threw my seeds away. So I got in touch with him. He's got me some more seeds sent. These are ready to break open, get the seeds, and get these planted. Pickerick, thank you so much. The next pepper seeds I'll be planting, these are my own pepper seeds. These are jumbo jalapenos. And when I do my cooking, I use jumbo jalapenos. Well, I saved some of the seeds from one of the peppers, let them dry out for a couple weeks, and I'll be planting those because I need those to make my pepper jelly. I'll be making some pepper jelly this year. I made a little bit last year and it turned out great. So in this bucket right here, I have some water. This seed starter says the first direction is add warm water very slowly and evenly to the pellets as needed. So in here is some warm water. Right now it's actually kind of hot. I need to let it cool down. As soon as it cools down, I'll get this, start pouring this in here. This is actually rainwater. This isn't tap water, it's not bottled water. This is rainwater that I caught throughout a couple days. Let this cool down, I'll be right back with you. Okay, so in this Burpee seed starter, you get 2 trays, and then in each tray, let's see if I can get it out, you get this little dirt pod, and that's what it tells you to add warm water. Now I just added some more water to this because it wasn't cooling down fast enough. So I got my milk jug, that's full of rainwater that I caught, and I added some more water to it. They also give you a little stick stir, and whenever you're pouring the water, you're supposed to hold it down. Let me get over where you can see. Hold it down and then pour the water on it so it would soak up. And then you use this to stir it up once it gets all absorbed. Also, they give you a little chart so you can keep up with what is in what. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll show you in just a second pouring the water on a couple of these to show you how I do it, and then I'll just do them all off camera and come back to you in just a second. So let me get set up right quick and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so I got my water bottle filled with this water here just because it's easier to hold, and pour. And it says add water slowly to each one as needed. So I'm just going to go and pour water on each one of these. Let it get a little bit of water in it. And I'll go to each one doing that. Let it absorb a little bit of the water. And then come back to the next one. And already they're starting to swell up a little bit. Alright, now what I'm doing, after I poured all the water on them, going to each one of them, and I'm breaking them up. And then I'll pour just a little bit more water on each one of them. You can see they kind of all swelled up on me. That's what you're wanting. Let me get all these broke up, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so next step, it says remove the trays and drain off all excess water. And then put the trays back in there. I've done this once, but showing y'all what I did. Okay, prior to sowing seeds, place your seed starter kit in a designated well-lit area. Sow 1-2 seeds in each cell. Per package instructions, group seeds with similar requirements within the same kits. Use plantogram chart to chart your kit. Alright, well, this whole thing is going to be nothing but pepper, so that's they're together. So, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. How many peppers do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 peppers. So I'm gonna go, you know, top's gonna be jalapeno, then each pepper. So what I'm gonna do, get my little stick here, I'm gonna poke a hole just like this where I'm gonna put my seeds. Let me do that and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so got all my little holes poked. And on my paper I got jalapeno, Tabasco, Korean Reaper, and Longhorn. I'm just going to start with this right here and put 2 seeds to each spot and go all the way across. And however many spots I fill up, I will mark it off. But however many seeds I got, I'm going to fill this whole entire thing up. So let me show you what I'm going to do. Starting with jalapeno. Got my jalapeno seeds here that I dried myself. I'm going to do 2 to a hole, cover it up. Two to a hole, cover it up. I'm going to do that all the way down. So let me do that and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so got all my seeds in here, got them covered up lightly. The last row that I had, I went ahead and planted the last row with Reaper pepper seeds. I don't like the way the Reaper pepper seeds looks, and just in case, because they look kind of black, like they're kind of molded in the pepper. But that's probably the way it looks. But went ahead and planted another row just in case. So I ain't gonna worry about it if I have too much. So let's see what the next step is. Add water directly into the watering tray to a depth of 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Tip for best results, avoid overwatering. So that means I gotta take these back out. I'll just set these on the top of the tray and move my specules there. Alright. So it says add 1/2 inch to the trays. This is that water that I was pouring out of there. That looks to be about 1/2 inch. Alright. see, cover with clear dome until lid, until seeds emerge. Okay, so I guess I got to place these back in here. Obviously, I mean, they're growing there. Alright, so put these back in here with that agua. Cover it up. Do they snap on or no, they just sit on there? Okay, well, thought they'd snap on, but I guess they don't. Alright, got that done. Covered after 4 weeks of growth and a started fertilizer for strong root development. Fertilizer not included. Plants are ready to transport when the root system is fully developed. Alright, so that's it. I'm actually going to place these. Where do I want to put these? There's a no, that's in full. You don't want full direct sunlight just yet. So I'm gonna put these back here on the side of the house. I tell you what, let me put these and I'll be right back with you. Okay, so I put them right here beside the house. It's underneath the carport, well lit area all day long, obviously, but it's not in direct full sunlight, and that's what they say you don't want. So I got plenty of seeds left over, so if these don't take, I can, try something different. But like I said, I read reviews on this Burpee seed starter, and they say it's pretty good, so we're gonna give that a shot. And like I said, if it don't work, I got plenty of seeds to start something else. So I'll keep y'all updated. Give us a couple weeks, let these start germinating, and we'll keep update on it. All right, well, thank y'all so much. Like I said, this is the first seeds started for 2018. I'm late because of all the rain and everything. My father-in-law just got everything, the ground disc up, dirt moved out the way, so hopefully we can get some rows done up. I know we're supposed to have rain in a couple of days, so I may wait after that to see what happens, and we'll go from here. This is it, 2018 spring garden. Alright guys, well thank y'all so much for watching. Hope y'all join me on the next videos, and until then, I'll see y'all later. Remember, everybody's got a little backwoods in them. I'll catch you later.